Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you are here with me today. Today I am wanting to play around with one of my split cups. It's a small one, so I grabbed a small canvas. I'm going to use the 4 chamber, and yeah, I made this color up. I think it is a really pretty color. And I just combined Brilliant Blue from Amsterdam and Turquoise Green from Master's Touch. And I got this really pretty color. And then next, I think I want to go in with some gold. And then I want to go in with this really pretty blue from Master's Touch. And then I want to use my Creative Inspiration. I think it's, yeah, Dioxazine Purple, Violet. So those are the colors that I'm going to use in this pour. Let me go, oh, the gold is the 24 karat gold. So let's go ahead and layer the cup and get busy. What color do I want to pour onto? I have some gold here. To go ahead and pour onto. I'm going to go ahead and do the edges real quick. It's like on this cup, I got these off Amazon. It doesn't go down to the tip. I don't know if all cups are like that, but I wish it did because it would be a lot better of a pour, I think. There's some air bubbles. The mixing medium that I used on this, there was nothing to really create cells, but I do see a few popping up, which is kind of cool. No silicone is what I was trying to get out. But yeah, I like those colors. I like the way this one turned out. I'm going to do another one real quick. I already have the paints mixed up. Put that one to the side. I got this other one. I'll just layer this one again the same way that I had it. Okay, so let me pull the other one back up here. Oh, I just put my finger across there. Oh shit, see what I did right there? These are on 7x7 level 1 canvases. Oh, I like, I don't want to put my glove over there. I like this that's happening here with the gold. I wonder if it's going to happen here. Very interesting. These will get about 3 coats of varnish, and after about 3 to 4 weeks, and then they will be for sale on my Facebook site and my website. So, alright, thank you all so much for coming to see me, hanging out with me while I painted. I hope that you have an amazing day. God loves you, and so do I. Come back and see me. Maybe we'll paint.